Tragically, now, elephants need your help more than ever before. They're faced with threats from poachers, illegal killers, and land transformation, which reduces and changes their habitats and social structure.
De-snaring is a dangerous venture and it takes courage to do that activity. The team combs the bush for 2 to 3 hours non-stop, looking for those wire snares and retrieving them.
When this snare is set aside, it's ready to catch any kind of an animal. It can enter in the leg or in the trunk of an elephant.
We also educate the people why they should not put snares in the park and the consequences of bushmeat.
Without a community, you can't be able to achieve the goal of conserving.
Every individual matters. That's why doing nothing is not an option. Together, we can ensure the survival of the elephant for generations to come.